Hello and welcome to Telephone, a React Native application. We'll get started by logging in through Facebook authentication. So Telephone is a game, and we'll check in on the rules first. So very similar to the childhood classic, Telephone banks on miscommunication and confusion, but instead of whispering something in someone's ear and having that float around in a circle, instead participants will be drawing or describing drawings. So the first person puts in a sentence, the second person tries to sketch that sentence, and it goes back and forth through however many players you have at hand. Let's go ahead and start a new game. So we'll keep it pretty simple because I am not wonderful at drawing, and just say a hot cup of hot cocoa. Now, of course, it is funner and more confusing the more that you add on and the broader of an initial sentence you start out with, but we'll keep it easy just for sake of this demo. So we're now prompted to pass it along to the next player. I'll start the next turn. Cup of hot cocoa. So hopefully I can do this all right. All right, a simple mug. There's our beverage inside, and let's add in some marshmallows. Because what good is hot cocoa without marshmallows? And maybe some steam coming up from it. All right. If there was a part of this that I wasn't happy with, I can always hit undo. But I'll go ahead and hit submit. And now notice that there's no back button here. So that prevents the next player from being able to sneak a peek at what the previous screen said, and helps enforce the confusion. And we'll start our next turn now and describe this. So let's say maybe we think those things floating inside are not marshmallows like the last person intended, but instead are vegetables or some crazy other thing. So we hit submit, and we can start our next turn. I'm actually just going to end the game here. I don't want to take too much of your time showing all the drawing, but immediately we're going to go ahead and see the very simple game that we just played. And now when we go to our past games, we can see all the different games that have been played. So for instance, we could check out this game here. Or here's another one. And that encapsulates the basic features of Telephone.